welcome to Run Deal. Today I'm going to show you these really nice containers I got from Amazon. These come with a spoon. This spoon is really nice. It's made out of stainless steel and it has a wood fill handle that's really nice and comfortable. They are airtight, air seal tight. They hold up to 350 mLs or 10 fluid ounces if you want. It has a little ring that's going to hold your spoon in place. These are great for you to make your overnight oats, or if you want to do like a yogurt parfait. You can even carry a salad on them. They're really nice. It comes in 4 different colors for the covers and the silicone ring. They're really cool. You can take them to school, take them to work. They're made with safe materials and just a really great product that I highly recommend. Hope you guys enjoy it.